over here I have already written down some steps before explaining this question. So after the prime factorization, right, your 12 should be 2 to the power of 2 times 3, and then for your 72 it should be 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2. Okay, of course you can verify for me whether my prime factorization is correct or not using your calculator. And the second thing here is you need to remember the definition of HCF and the definition of LCM. Okay? You have to know the definition for both of these. Alright, so the definition of HCF, highest common factor, is shared factors and lowest power. And then for the definition of LCM, right, is all factors and highest power, which I'm going to make use of these two definitions and try to figure out the first number and your second number. Alright, so for the HCF, which is 12, so therefore is shared factors. So you just look at this. 2 is shared, 3 is also shared. So you need to write down 2 and 3 for both numbers. Alright. And then now you need to choose the lowest power. You need to choose the lowest power. The lowest power for 2 in this case is 2. Because 2 is lower than the 3. I'm talking about the power here, okay? So therefore I pick 2. And next, what's the lowest power for the 3 here? So the lowest power is actually 1 because it's 1 and then the power is 2 here. So therefore the lowest power for 3 in this case is 1. Okay. So this forms the basis, okay, for the first number and the second number. And the second requirement from the question is both numbers must be bigger than, it says both numbers must be bigger than 12. So therefore you will see that first number is 12 here. This is 12. So they cannot be 12. So you have to make use of the definition of LCM here. So all factors and then highest power. So if you look here, right, you can actually increase the one of the numbers here, either the first or the second number, to be, instead of 2, you can put it 3 here. And then with this, you will get 24 already. And for the second number, since you have made use of the 2 to the power of 3, okay, so you don't want to play with the 2 to the power of 3 already because 2 to the power of 3 is here already. So you might want to play with the 3 to the power of 2 because that's the highest power for the 3. So therefore you put a 2 here and then you will end up with 36 here. So I guess these are the two possible numbers for this question.